Alright, how we doing, everybody? I'm doing a little update here. Going to be increasing my solar window. I got my brother from another mother down here, traveled about 1,400 miles to come help me. That little deer pine tree stand, those two maples may end up going. That tree is going. That's going. Shagbark's going. Those two other type of hickories are going. There's a cluster of trees right over there that are going. As you can see, they still have leaves. They're really killing my solar. So we're going to knock these down today. We've been cutting wood all week. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be over here disassembling that fixed array and start mounting the new 6-panel solar tracker that's going up finally. Hope to get that done by the weekend. Today's Wednesday, I think. Okay, I'm going to go set up the time-lapse camera and we'll film the antics. I'll be back. Say goodbye to the trees. They're going bye-bye. They're in my way. As you can see, the sun's coming over now. And then I'm taking, I think 6 over here I got marked for death also. That's a half a rotten oak. That's gonna be spicy bringing that one down. All right, I'll be back. Almost notched. He's thinking about it. We'll get back to you. Here we go. Here we go. Timber! Whoosh. Okay, big hickories on the ground. Went through 2 previously sharpened chainsaw blades. None of them would cut this worth of shit. Luckily I had one brand new blade and I was able to cut it down without killing myself. That's like cutting fiberglass. So I got a new blade on there now, so I'm all set. That thing is an easy 100 feet long. That's a big stick. Marky G down there doing the branches. I gotta cut that one. It's a persimmon, another hickory variety. That one, that one, that one. Those split tree. That one's going. I think that'll be it for today. And I'm gonna take them, push them up over there in a pile, buck them and split them. I'm gonna go after that one and a couple more maybe tomorrow. All right. This big one's on the ground. That could have went either way.